Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 21st, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. Three puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, one of these binaries, and the Killer Sudoku. Yeah, I will continue with the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 7310. And we have two given numbers. Well, this is 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two given numbers, the 2 and 8. Okay. For Killer Sudoku, I need my average time 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one has 1. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. Okay, let me start with this one. What you need to know is that the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, let me go back to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, double 12 is 24. 24 plus 14 is 48. 38. 38 plus 3 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In a box of 5, the combination here will be 4 and a 1. This row, first row, we have one sharing box. Okay, how about here? Here also, okay. Let me go to this big square. No, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 11 plus 14 is 25. Plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. Yeah, 44. 35 plus 9 is 44. So 45 minus 44 is a 1. In the box of 9, the combination will be 1 plus 8. Okay, this is complete. Okay, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Okay, 7 plus 17 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In a box of 9, the combination here will be 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Completed, okay? How about this big square? If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 8 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 9 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, let me go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number these two boxes together. Okay, then I know what number this will be. Okay, 13 plus 7 is 20. Plus 12 is 32. Plus 1 is 33. So 45 minus 33 is 12. 12. These two boxes together should be 12. In this triple box of 17, that means that this box should be a 5. 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. Okay, let me go to this big square. Count all these numbers. I will know what number these two boxes together. 12 plus 6, 18, plus 2, 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 11 is 31. So 45 minus 31 is 14. Yeah. In this triple box of 17, that box should be a 3. 3 plus 14 is equal to 17. Okay, my next strategy. Oh, no. We have one row with one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 12 plus 5, 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 14 is 38. 45 minus 38 is a 7. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 8 is 20. Plus 16. Oh, no. 20. 16 plus 6 is 22. Plus 20 is 42. 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In the box of 11, the combination will be 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, here in this big square, we have the box of 3. Only one combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see, do we have any more? No. The box of 17, only one combination, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. Box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Okay, then in this last row, we have the box of 6 and the box of 12 left. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be in the box of 6. Combination 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 4 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 4 goes in there. Alright. 2. One of the missing number in the first row is the number 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 12. And I cannot place the 2 in the box of 14. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So the 2 should be in the box of 7. Combination 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. One of the missing number in the first row is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4. We already have a 4 here in this big square. So I cannot place the 8 there, so the 8 should be in the box of 14. Combination 8 and 6, 8 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row, 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, 9 goes there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 12. Combination will be 8 plus 4. We already used the 4 in this big square, so the 8 should be in the box of 14. Combination 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. Let me mark those. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, the 3 and 4, 5 is missing, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. Alright, one of the missing number in this column is the number 6. Well, should be in the box of 7. Combination 6 and a 1. 6 and a 1. So we have a 1 in one of those boxes in the first column. So this box can be 1 and more. This box should be 2. That box should be 1. Alright. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 3 and a 4. We already used the 3 in this big square, so the 4 should be in the box of 6. Combination 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. Oh, we have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 6 goes there. 8 and a 9. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in the third column. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 9. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in one of these two boxes because we have a 2 in this middle row. No 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 should be in a box of 5. Combination 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. Second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. And now. Let me see. 2, 2, 2. Interesting. Okay, no 8 here. Need a 7 here. 7 and the 6. 7 and the 5. Okay, we have 7 in this row. 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. If I place the 7 in the box of 12, then the combination will be 7 and a 5. The 5 is already used in this big square. So it can be here in the box of 12. Should be in the box of 13. Combination 7 and 6. 7 and 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be an 8. Okay, should be 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8 should be in the box of 12. These two boxes together should be 12. Combination 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Let me mark those. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 9 goes there. The 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9, goes in the box of 11, combination 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. Then. Let me see the 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 8, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The 6 is already used in this big square. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Alright, 7 and the 5, 7 and the 3, yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. If I place the 7 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 7 and a 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Well, the 3 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 7 here. The only place left for the 7 should be there. In the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 1 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. In the box of 7, the combination will be 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 plus 1. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. All right. One more. Oh, 6 and a 1. We already have a 6 here in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 6 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. These two boxes together should be 14. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time because I thought I need 20 to 30 minutes, but I've solved this in 60 minutes. 2 stars. Yes, not faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.